Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to see how we can get started with the DJI RC FPV equipment. So here we have the DJI goggles N3 and the DJI RC remote controller 3. So these two make up the DJI FPV ecosystem, and using this we can control the DJI Neo or a custom drone built using any of the DJI O4 units, the Air or the Pro. Unlike a regular DJI controller like this one, which uses your smartphone to view and record the footage, we have the DJI goggles here, which pair up with the remote controller, and we can put on these goggles and view the live footage. So the first step will be to pair up all our devices together. For that, we'll need to turn them on. Now we are going to enter pairing mode on all our devices. To do so, you have to long press the power button. And we can see the LEDs are flashing. Also on the goggles. And once you hear the double beep, that means the pairing is done and the devices are now connected. As we can see, the camera is visible in the goggles, and also the remote control should be working. Yes. Alright, now you can use the remote to control the DJI Neo. Now similarly, we can connect to this Mark 4 5-inch drone, which uses the DJI's O4 Air unit. First we will power it on. And as we can see, there's a red light on the O4 Air unit. There's also a tiny button on the side, which is for pairing. Now you can long press the button to enter pairing mode. Okay, the light is flashing. Now we have entered pairing mode. Now in the goggles, we are going to switch to the DJI O4 Air unit. And we are going to have to long press the power switch to pair. As you can see, the light has now turned green. That means we have successfully paired to the O4 Air unit. Also in the display, the camera view is now visible, as you can see here. So this is how you can pair the DJI goggles N3 and FPV remote controller to your drone, which can be a custom built drone using O4 unit or a DJI Neo drone.